Hi, I'm Charles for ToolSmart. When you're inspecting home wiring, keeping track of measurements for dozens of electrical outlets and breakers can get complicated. There's an easier way. The ToolSmart Digital Multimeter from General Tools. It links wirelessly to the ToolSmart app, so you can save your readings, label them and organize them, all on your smartphone. You can even drop those readings onto a photo so you can spot problem areas at a glance. And when you're working side by side, the ToolSmart app turns your mobile device into a second screen, so you can easily share readings with another member of your team or a client. Plus, all the features you demand from your tools. Auto ranging mode, selecting the right range for the job so you don't have to. An audio alarm if your readings fall outside the upper and lower limits you've set. And a built-in temperature sensor to check for hotspots and breakers and wiring. The ToolSmart Multimeter, the one tool you need to quickly check and record measurements for a whole house, no pencil required. I'm Charles for ToolSmart.
The AstroAI True RMS 6000 counts digital multimeter is the go-to tool for household electricians and workers alike. Its robust design not only travels anywhere, but also features an ergonomic rubber bumper exterior, magnetic hook, and kickstand for ultimate practicality. This multimeter is designed to precisely measure both AC and DC voltage, current, resistance, temperature, continuity, and frequency. You'll be pleased to find this DMM also tests capacitance, diodes, and transistors. Precise results are displayed on a clear, backlit LCD screen that always returns an accurate reading with a sampling speed of 2 times per second. Convenient features like a backlit LCD, data hold function, and built-in kickstand make the 6000 counts DMM easy for anyone to use. The utilitarian design allows for both automatic and manual ranging, depending on your project needs. AstroAI provides extra peace of mind with its included 3-year warranty. Safely and efficiently take care of all your electrical needs with the AstroAI TRMS 6000 counts digital multimeter.
Welcome to the Etekcity How-To series. Today we'll be going over how to use the MSR R500 multimeter. Some of the features on this multimeter include large digits for easy reading, a backlight for the LCD display, and caps for the testing leads, so that dust or dirt won't clog them up. This meter is also fairly light and fits comfortably into the palm of your hand. It also has a stand on the back for easy reading. One thing you'll notice in particular is that this meter has a manual range, meaning that you'll have to select the right range in order to get an accurate reading. We recommend this product for some of the more experienced folks out there, but if you're interested in how a manual ranging multimeter works, then you're watching the right video. Before we get started, it should be noted that the maximum voltage for this multimeter is 500 volts. Do not measure any voltages that exceed this amount. Doing so can either cause the meter to malfunction or seriously injure you or the user. Please refer to the manual for more information on proper use of this product. Let's start with how to measure DC voltages. Plug the black lead into the jack that says COM. The good thing about this is that once the black lead is connected, you'll never have to disconnect it because the black lead always goes to COM. Next, plug the red lead into the jack labeled for volts, which happens to be the middle jack on this meter. Your red lead will be plugged into this jack for most of the settings on this multimeter. Set the switch to measure DC voltage, and you'll want to select the range closest to the voltage of what you are measuring. In this case, we are measuring a 9-volt battery, so we'll set the range to 20 volts. Place the red probe on the positive end and the black probe on the negative end, and you should get a reading. You can also press the hold button to lock in the reading on the screen, and press it once more to clear the screen. This function works with all other settings on the multimeter. Now let's try measuring AC voltage. We're going to be measuring a power strip, which is normally 120 volts. We'll set the switch to the AC side at 200 volts. Make sure your leads are properly connected, black to COM, and red to the middle jack. Insert the probes like so, and the display will show a reading for the voltage of the outlet. Remember not to touch the probes together when they are in the outlet. You can cause the device to malfunction or seriously injure yourself. To test the continuity of a circuit, set the switch to the continuity setting. You can test the continuity setting by touching the probes together. If the meter beeps, that means there is almost zero resistance between 2 points. Here we'll be testing a fuse to see if it is internally broken. If the display is just showing 1, that means there is either nothing being measured or the circuit is open. To test resistance, turn the switch to the lowest ohm range. Touch the probes to the object you want to test. In this case, we are testing a resistor. If the display just shows the number 1, keep adjusting the switch until you get a reading. You also can't measure voltages while in this setting. You'll blow a fuse in the meter if you do. That wraps it up for this how-to video for the MSR R500 multimeter. Thanks for watching.